Karango, I think I'm the first person mwenye anajua shida za huko sana. Cause wewe tushawahi ongea, Triza tushawahi ongea, na kuna wakati last year kulitokea shida. Na mimi sitakuja hapa kukuandika na sitasema yale tuliongelelea na wewe. Nimesikia pale Facebook ukisema wakati Triza alikuwa anapitia hali ngumu ama akona stress, unamtafutia marafiki zake wamuongereshe. Karango, hujawahi reach out na mimi kuniambia Triza akona shida yote, but yeye tumeishi kuongea na Triza kutoka kitambo na unajua hivyo. Ananiambia kunaenda hivi siku nzuri, sometimes tunaongea na wewe until I think last year, unajua kuna pahali tulikuja tukakorofana na wewe tukaondokeanwa. Sasa tukakuwa sisi hatuwezi ongea na wewe, tukakasirikiana na tukakuwa sisi mimi na wewe hatuwezi ongea. Though hata kama hatuongei Karango, mimi siwezi kukutakia mabaya. All I wanted is Triza to stand on her own feet. Wabere Triza freedom ya ati no ingire social media akora ki interact na andu aria angi akora ki kama undu maria mangi tondu iyo I think ona wikara eiko guri kidari kinya na thimu agingira na social media ona urakora thiiri undu ucio bado no urakora ukihinyiriria mutumia waku ucio ni undu wa mbere
gato dio momwe
aya
wauga demu have freedom isn't it demu imeta freedom.
Okay, according na the society, maundu mangi kana mundu ndabataraga kwirwo, mundu ndabataraga kumona itigo.
Ti society. Ndemu imeta freedom na njira iriku tajira.
Aya ngukwira ni uhoro uri wa matondu kwira ko murata mundu amwiraga ma tukuhure na ma nigetha bare no ikinye mwiso once and for all. Wa mbere Karango waiga mutumia ku ndari akwira ni arenda thimu. No mutumia ucio ngitigwiciria niwe wakwirire umugurire thimu.
Niwe wajirire.
Niwe wakwirire. Haya, Karango aka undu gukwira, ti atumia othe mahotaga kwira mundu ni ndirenda kina, tondu hinda wahikia mundu, okay, we rira uramwona ahana uguo ri, no igwa wi comfortable nake, ari na thimu iyo enayo. Karango ni gukwira ma umuthi.
Hindi iyo ri esiri. Na thimu ndingituika icio.
Ona ti thimu, ndenda gukunia maundu maria we watanja thini wa social media.
Ndenda gukuria ta my sister. Thimu ndingituika icio tondu wa riri. Riu hindi iyo turaria nginya uria tukugura pick up ri. Korwo ni thimu twaguraga ri. Thimu na pick up niki kiari na goro ici.
Haya ni pick up na tareke gwire Karango.
Ekwire. Agikorwo nyina murane uranjira tugure pick up ri. Kwi andu anjirite tugure thimu ndimugurire thimu ngirega.
Karango kwire kaundu kamwe. Atumia ni mendete kuigua ni mendetwo ona matego kwira umende.
Na nikio anjira ndimugurire pick up ri. Tamuria atiriri, tamuria kana nginya tutirarikanire ni tugucenjia ngari, tamurie yake ya gutwarithia.
Haya mau mothe ri heka undu kamwe gwenda Karango ndite
ndenda kuria tiriri si maundu macio mothe ri tukiaria nake ri tonanagia ni twendaine kana tonanagia ni tuthuraine.
Okay, ndigo nani tenda kurate hau kiuria kiuria ni kenyu injwiri no ndagwenda gukwira ni atiriri maybe Triza ni raigwa emptiness ya atiriri na ndira kuririo gucigo icira muthuri wake ni araigwa ndari ho muthuri wake ndari kuona ndari hakuhi nake ni waiga ndi thia na ni Karango ni njui marakara maku tondu Karango twana ikara nawe ni njui mundu ni watigire kurakara
ona gata muri akwire tani ndari murakari.
I know to ni ngui so gwenda gukwira atiriri
macio esire undu haha ndenda twarie uma marakara macio nimo mandeherire nginya ma condition mamwe onake ni oi marakara macio makwambataga ri na nimo ndahoire Ngai anjehererie undu ndikwendaga kurakara muno uranyita
ndaya kunyita fia
no korwo ndina mahitia no ni njuhe mahitia mamwe ngeretie go control korwo muthenya ucio Triza arakarire wanjirire Triza arakara tondu ndari na thimu ri ndeto icio citingikinyite haha korwo we ona ngikorwo ruga nenda kublokire korwo wanjirire tuonjire mutumia yaku ni aranegena tondu he kindu atari nakio we ta murata wake korwo ni wanjirire kindu kiu nikio tungiageririe gugietha andu ha maundu maya mathie to this extent neguo no riu we ni wamenyire mahitia mathina ma family yakwa ta murata no ndwetikirire kuri gutukuora uguo ri esi bitu waigirire life ugithie kwanika mathina makwa na mathina maria wanikire ri ni meri ndirahe mutumia wakwa thayo neguo na ndiramugurira thimu ari undu ungi.
Okay, neko gucokeria riu wa mbere ni ona Karango fati kunjokeria ngatho tondu ndaimire guku ngithie kundu itoini na niwe ndikura muikara ndinda kinya kure muikara
ngatho mbere
abetige Karango ndothio kahora ni ndiokite online Korwo nĩ ndĩrenda korwo Theresa hĩndĩ ĩrĩa anjĩrĩte aingĩre live ere andũ ũrĩa akoretwo akĩhinyĩrĩrĩka nĩguo twaingĩrire kũngĩarĩ kũru mũno tondũ nĩ angĩaririe mũno no ndambire kũmũhoreria tondũ before na niĩ njũkĩte ndaikaraga live anjeterere gũkĩrĩ mũtwarĩre thibitarĩ tondũ ndaiguaga wega nani amemdrop
nafikiri amedropia na network
yake atarudi Tata AC. The conversation is going very well, but we wanted to grill. We wanted you to grill him according to what you guys have accused him, but instead, Murane ana kirera, of which is okay. Ni kama mnapeana mawaidha, so we are digressing. We are just being patient, just because this is tunajua you are leading us somewhere. So once he comes back, we want to because haijafika wakati wa mawaidha, mnapeana tu mawaidha pale ageri kilo angefanya hii. Let's focus on the questions that are attend kwa part ya kwanza, part ya pili ndio pia tuweze kupata pande wengine waweze kumuuliza. Tungetaka pia Esther Bauman aweze kujibu swali na aweze kumgrill vile vile Theresa aweze kupata. Tukienda leo mtaratara mpangilio tutakuwa tunaenda salama salmi. Sio ngano hishi sha kirera na ngano nyige, we are digressing. Thank you, very important. But you're doing good. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much for giving those directions. I'm going to ask Mr. Karangu Muraya to please request. Tafadhali request ikuoni kwa guest. Request urudi juu tafadhali. Because alikuwa na yes, the public is allowed to talk. Dr. Menja,
yes.
The public is allowed to talk. Mtapata nafasi mtapanda. Right now we are trying to control the comment section kwa sababu we want our guest feel vibaya. Aya, Pastor Kanyari, chukua mic.
Okay, thank you so much Jacqueline. Una control vizuri na nafurahi kwamba client wangu watritiwi vibaya. But ningependa watu watoke kwa multi guest ndio aweze kupanda, maana anajaribu kupanda lakini watu ni wengi sana.
Okay, so moderators, remove people from the guest. It's 100 people there. Remove them.
Clear the guest first, then
akishapanda. Thank you.
Ama nani?
Hapana, huyo ni Dr. Menja. Clear the guest wadau. Tunaenda ku Dr. Menja, unaweza sema kitu haraka ndio
my question is really to Karangu and he's not here. So I want
to... Yeah, you can ask it and then he's going to come up because we need your box. Ili akuje juu.
Oh, okay. So one of the things that I've really been talking about as somebody who has watched domestic violence is a lot of things. It's not just material.
Yeah.
I've listened to the whole of his entire Facebook video.
Yeah.
And all he covered was material things. One thing I heard him say is that he went to look for peace when he couldn't find it, or love in another woman.
Yeah.
But when he was asked if it would be okay for him to let Theresa be Theresa and get her freedom and find love somewhere else, he did not agree to that.
Yeah.
To me, it sounds like a very controlling person.
Yeah.
He wants to sound like he's a victim. Obviously, that is a symptom or sign of narcissism.
Yeah.
So you can co-parent children because he keeps saying, Theresa, he never addressed the issue of emotional abuse, emotional neglect. He never addressed mamboya sex life because that is also important for a wife.
Yeah. So
that woman is not in his house to raise the children. She needs to be loved. And I also asked him, the other question is, when his marriage was rocky,
did
he find a therapist to intervene before he went to find another woman? And if that was done, what were the conclusions? Because he should have told us about all those things. He never addressed any needs of the wife. The other thing is, why are you shopping for your wife? Why are you going to shop everything? Let her go shop, give money.
Lady Jacqueline, it's too early to call. It's too early to call.
So it's too early for that.
Yeah, it's too early.
Shall I?
Yeah, drop.
Yeah, Dr. Menja, I think I'm